34 people on that plane. Whether that plan was executed, we may never know, because Flight 549 was intercepted by a second aircraft, an aircraft which did not appear on the military's or anyone else's radar screen.
What the hell is this?
Max Fennig knew immediately what this craft was, and that he would not be completing the rest of the flight as scheduled. Max would have recognized immediately all the signs of a classic abduction scenario. The craft taking control of the plane and all its systems. Preparing to take Max. It was not on their screen. Not knowing that for the next 9 minutes, time would stand still on Flight 549.
We got something? I'm intercepted. My God, my God. Mayday, mayday, mayday!
You're saying the man sitting in seat 13F was abducted mid-flight without any depressurization of the cabin, without any effect on the plane?
If not for factors unforeseen, I believe Max Fennig would have been abducted and returned to Flight 549 without any loss of life, without a trace.
Then what happened?
Flight 549 and the alien craft which had taken control of it were intercepted by the military fighter which had been given a specific set of orders to take down the UFO. The missing 9 minutes aboard Flight 549, 9 minutes that would have been erased from the memories of the 134 passengers on board, would prove to be the final minutes of their lives.